everybody, and welcome to day 8's unboxing video. I hope everyone's having a lovely day. First up, number 7, 12 Days of Beauty, day number 8, which is right here. And we've got a little tube.
Tube-a-doob-doob.
A tube-a-doob-doob. Rub-a-dub-dub. What have we got? We have got an airbrush away primer. Ooh.
Airbrush
fancy.
away.
For flawless looking skin and creating the perfect base for your foundation, this clever primer, can help. Oh, it
People
can
that
help.
write the blurbs for these products are they're wordsmiths.
That's somebody's job.
Yeah.
Pores and fine lines appear to disappear, and wrinkles are put in soft focus, leaving your skin perfectly smooth and even all day. Perfect, because I have rather large pores, and that is why I don't wear foundation like ever. Also, cheers, festive
Happy
season.
birthday.
Eggnog, so very nuggy. Up next is our 12-day Revolution box, and that one's tipped over, so we'll grab that one. And what have we got? We have got a blush and highlight palette.
Is that box all palettes?
Oh, I don't really
I think we got some brushes the one day.
Yeah, I got the
other
travel
than that,
brushes.
it's
I got
palettes.
lip gloss.
Oh, did you? All right.
But you know I love palettes.
Palettes are fun. They're big.
They're fun. I can't open them, but they're fun.
That one should be able to.
Can you open this, please?
Oh.
It's a good reason to get married, if only to have someone reach things off high shelves.
My fingers are bigger than yours, but
and
I still
open
got
boxes.
it. Here you go.
Thank you. You're a nice man. So, we've got some very beautiful blush shades and some very beautiful highlighter shades. I'd probably wear this one here as a highlight, and probably any one of these blushes, but this time of year probably this one because it's nice and deep and rich. So I'm very happy with that because I love a good palette. Next up is the Revolution 24-day calendar, day number 8. I think I said day number 12 in that last one.
I hope not.
So here's day number 8. And it looks like another primer.
You gotta say something about the window opening, like ripping all the way off again. Just like, this box is superior because it opens all the way in.
It does open all the way. But I can't, my fingers aren't working today. Get out of there. Oh no!
Oh no!
My Glossybox. My precious. Oh.
It's fine.
All right. So on day 8, we got, just a clear lip gloss. Which is good because a lot of my matte lipsticks are very drying, especially in the wintertime.
You should in your winter time?
Especially in the wintertime. Don't give me a hard time, man.
I'm your key grip. I'm supposed to help
I'm the one
you
who
out here.
cooks your food and make sure that it's not poisoned.
Right.
You should never be mean to the person who handles your food.
I get it.
Day number 8 of the NYX Love Lust Disco box. I haven't forgot the day once. I don't think, except for maybe I said day 12 on that one.
No comment.
There's no 8. Oh, here it is.
Okay.
It's a very long box, which means it's probably a brush.
It's not.
It's not.
It's something else.
Ooh, I think it's maybe a lip liner.
No. You were just talking about that.
I know.
It's kind of a darker color. It's not dark.
It is a NYX retractable lip liner. And the shade is being blocked by this safety seal. I'm trying really hard.
Are you going to put it on? Is that one?
No, it won't match my color.
Then don't worry about opening it.
Okay, I'm going to open this. I'm going to open it.
All right.
And I'll just do a little swatch. But 1 second, please.
15 minutes later.
15 minutes later, I have it unwrapped. So this is in the shade Nude. And it's a retractable lip liner, which is nice.
Oh, it's like
then
an
you don't have to
actual
sharpen
lipstick.
it.
It's a little lipstick.
It's like a little, well, you could use it as a full lip.
That'd be wild.
So it's a very nice nudish brown color. And I'm sure I have a lipstick somewhere that will match it. I hate darker lip liners with lighter colored lips. I just hate it. I do. Sorry. Last up is day number 8 of my Glossybox. Is numero 8.
It's down there on the bottom left.
We're at the bottom here. Let's see what we got. What did we get? Jason's already snuck a peek.
You're gonna like it, I think.
He said it's interesting.
You don't use these things, but
I don't use these things.
yeah.
Plural.
Like you don't need to.
Oh.
That's what I think it is.
So we've got a fur rose gold lash curler. Oh my god. It's not something that has to go near my eyes.
It is. It's a pair of scissors you stick in your eyeball.
If anybody watches The Office, you know, remember when Dwight says that the eyes of the groin are the groin of the face? That's why I don't like putting stuff near my eyes. It's already got a hair on it. Okay, it's already got a hair on it.
Oh wow, that's like tucked in there too. It's somebody else's
I think
for sure.
No, it's not hair. It's something, but it was stuck in there. It wasn't mine.
Maybe it's whatever that rubber curling portion of the.
Maybe. So we got an eyelash curler. I'm gonna give it a try on my own free time.
Are you doing it?
No, I'm not gonna even try it. This looks like a medieval torture device. I've never used one of these. I had to get my makeup done once. Well, more than once for a wedding. And like literally my head does this when people try to go near my eyes. I don't like it. But I'll give this a try.
You just said you're not going to.
I'll give it a try. I'll give it one try. Like
that try is going to be the one that blinds you. So
like that one, like the one day I had contact lenses and then I was like, nah.
Yeah, you got the flesh-eating eyeball disease or whatever.
Yeah, I'm good with glasses. Okay, so that's everything for
you
day
want to know the
8.
price of that?
Oh yes, please. So what is the price of
8?
this lovely rose gold eyelash curler?
What do you think?
$22.
Fur lash curler. Have your lashes really pop with this handy eyelash curler. Use before mascara for full lashes and an even coat. Price.
You're learning so much.
$18.
$18. I mean, I love rose gold. They're very beautiful.
I wouldn't stick anything with $18. It'd have to be like $25.
Oh, somebody's at the door. So totally unrelated, that was my friend Ellen at the door, and she made this picture of our puppy who passed away a couple of months ago. This is Lady. She passed away. She was 15. So let's just look how beautiful that is. Oh, thank you so much,
She just stopped by
Ellen.
and dropped it off for us.
Yeah.
Ellen Kelly, she's awesome.
She is a really amazing artist. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ellen.
Yes.
Okay, back to business. So my favorite things today were the blush and highlighter palette, and then the Airbrush Away primer, and then the clear lip gloss, because that'll just come in handy in the wintertime, the lip liner, and the medieval torture device, which I am so looking forward to trying. Anyways, I hope everyone has a lovely day. Thank you again for watching. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I would very much appreciate it. Have a fantastic day.